Yes, I'll have to use this synth voice, because my pronunciation is really crappy, and it would have taken a lot of time for me to record everything out loud. Hope you all get past it, because I know some people dislike this. Starting with the menu, since the whole map has changed, the spawn points also changed. The spawn points are added as you discover new locations around the map, making it easier to go around the world without walking so much. With the weapons menu, most of the weapons you can buy directly from here. Most of them will be quite expensive, but you can also find special ones around the map. As you can see, I changed practically all of them to more Cruelty Squad weapons. I modeled everything from scratch. There's still work to do in these models, but the system is pretty much complete. For the stock menu, I chose to keep it simple and super modular, so it's really easy to add, remove or change anything from it. We have the basic categories as you can see, and on the company stocks, I'll add a system where you can kill the CEO of these companies to crash their stocks, so you can buy them for cheap and farm money. Most of these companies are just placeholders. I focused much more on making it work first, then caring about the visuals and lore aspect of things. Then, here on the side we have the 3D model viewer of the organs, which also works on the fish, different from the original game. You can put your cursor over the viewer and rotate the model to see it more clearly. When you take your cursor off of it, the model will keep rotating on the last direction that you rotated it. Just a simple thing, but I like it. Here on the fish I'm also modeling new ones, and also some of the ones that are on the original game. The fishing system is complete. I can have different kinds of water give different pools of fish. I'll try to make more tropical and different fish, since you are on an island very far away. Just fast forwarding trough some of them because there is, and there will be quite a lot of fish, just as the original game. Now for the character system, one of the things I'm most eager to show off, the customization aspect of things. Starting off simple, you can change your character name right here just by selecting the text and typing off whatever you want. Here this blank civilian is your character. It may seem weird at first, but this is just a placeholder. The thing I'm eager to show is that you can totally customize this. Inside the game directory there will be a .glb file, along with some .blend files, which you can open it, edit them and then export it, overwriting the .glb file. Then the model that you made can be used as a skin here on the game. The game will offer basic skins. The system is all done. It's just that I was tired to model more skins, and I didn't want it to rip ones from the original game. On the implants system is also pretty much done. All that I have to do now is implement the more iconic and also new ones here. The system works by attaching a node with a custom script to the player node, which will then functionally change the player. Was a bit hard to implement, but I'm glad that I already finished this thing. Here on the player info menu, we have the basic info about the player. The core is basically your soul. The altar is something else that I'll try to show. Some other infos you can all see, and also his profile picture, which as you probably saw, can also be changed. This barcode is just a random thing I wanted to have. It's basically your ID number. It's totally random and it's just there to be cool. Here on the bottom we have the badges, which is a way to, quote, 100% the game. Something like achievements. Each one has a little image and a description on how you got it. On the gameplay side of things, as you can see, you now have hands that also can be customized, as you probably saw. They have a simple movement delay animation, kinda like Psycho Patrol are. I also added the kick. I just didn't model the leg yet. The reload system can be changed to a automatic 1 second reload, or a Cruelty Squad like reload, where you'll have to drag your mouse downwards to reload. This is the last gun that I was working on, which is the Bolt ACR. It's done. Just need some polishing on some of its graphics. For the map, as you can see, you are on an island. It's not that big, but I don't have many ideas or motivation to build the map. It's basically the thing that's holding me back for so long and keeping me from releasing the game demo. On that note, I also taught on instead of having a big map, I'll just release the demo with a big flat plane as the map, with things you can interact and test, instead of having to build this giant map against my will and creativity. Tell me on the comments if that interests you all. I think that's it for now. Sorry for the lazy and sloppy editing. I'm really busy with life right now, but I wanted to show off how far I've come with this project. Most of my 2025 and 2026 has been invested into tinkering around with this project. I appreciate the nice comments of everybody that has been around this journey ever since I started. A big thanks to all of you. Goodbye for now. Take care.